The accused Assamese named Ashraf Ali, who was taken in police remand for 3 days, escaped from the lockup of Kailasahar police station. Now the Kailasahar police have launched a search for the under trial accused with a shame.
যদি আমাদের এই সমস্ত দাবি
Again, the negligence of the Kailasahar police station came to light. In addition to the negligence of the police of Kailasahar police station, the lack of responsibility of the high-ranking officials of the district police also came to light. Now the accused escaped from the lockup of Kailasahar police station. Now the Kailasahar police have launched a search for the under trial accused with shame. According to the sources of Kailasahar police station, Ashraf Ali, a resident of Kailasahar, was arrested by the Kailasahar police station in the early hours of Saturday, September 2nd from his house and brought to the police station. The police brought Ashraf Ali from the court to Kailasahar police station on Saturday night after the court ordered Ashraf Ali to be sent to police remand for 3 days. On Sunday evening, due to the negligence of the police of Kailasahar police station, he opened the lockup and escaped from the police station. The district SP Kanta Jahangir says nothing about the incident. Now the Kailasahar police have launched a search for the under trial accused with shame. However, as per the news written, the police are not yet able to arrest the accused. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.